Model, 71 plate Peugeot Boxer 2.2335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 body, white, panel van mileage, 103,177 engine, 2179 ccdw12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Oil light on the dash due to turbo. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.